Social media marketing is a double-edged sword. It can be a super powerful tool or a total waste of time. I want your business to win on social. So today I'm going to talk about my 5 tips for succeeding on social media. Keep watching. Hi, I'm Tom Malesic, founder and president of EZMarketing, and you're watching Ask Easy. This is where small business owners go to get real answers to their marketing questions. If you want to succeed on social media, you need to define what success is. Why are you on social media in the first place? Make sure your goals are realistic and actually help your business. You're probably not going to get 10,000 followers overnight, and even if you do, does that actually help you generate revenue? For most small businesses, you can use social media to increase the awareness of your brand and products and drive people to your website to convert. Choose the right platforms. Don't worry about being on every platform. It's better to do 1 or 2 really well than to do 6 poorly. So how do you figure out which social media platforms are best for you? Our easy rule of thumb is go where your customers are. Everyone might be talking about the newest, greatest social site, but if your customers aren't there, you're going to end up wasting a lot of time and money. Post relevant content. If you're going to post on social media, you need stuff to post. Sounds obvious, but I get people who tell me they want to be on Instagram, but they don't have any pictures, or they want to be on YouTube, but they don't have videos. And make sure what you're posting is relevant, meaning it's stuff that makes sense for your business and that your customers actually want to see. If you're not providing value, no one is going to care and your social media isn't going to produce any business results. Be human. Remember, social media marketing is social. It's meant to build relationships and connections, not just sell stuff. Success on social media involves showing some personality, creating content that's engaging, and interacting with your audience. Lastly, success on social media requires an investment of time and money. Social media may be free to get started, but in most cases, it's really pay to play. You need to be running ads, promoting posts to get noticed. You also need to invest in someone to manage your social media, and that shouldn't be an untrained intern. If you want the best results, you want an experienced social media manager who can pull together a content calendar, run ad campaigns, and track your results. If you want to win on social media, give us a call. We've helped businesses just like yours get results on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Click on the link below for more information to get started. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.